Hi children, good morning Nana. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, very good Nana. Stay home, stay safe Nana. Okay, in the previous class we completed that exercise 3D up to D Roman. Okay ma? So what we discussed in the previous class? Some word problems and the estimation of the products. Okay, so once again we revise what we discussed in the previous class. After we will continue Nana. Come on children, all of you open your maths classwork and textbook. Get ready Nana. Okay. Seema. So how do you find whether the word problem is multiplication or division? How can you know? Yes. So the value of one item is given and we have to find the more values, then we have to do the multiplication. Okay. So one item is given and we have to find more items, we will do multiplication. Okay ma? Is it clear to you Nana? So once again I revise that. Word problem. See ma, 1 week. So 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay. So how many days are there in 5 weeks? So 1 week equal to 7 days. How many days are there in 5 weeks? So in this problem we will do multiplication. Why Nana? Here one item is given. That means 1 week is given and asking to find 5 weeks. So you do multiplication. 5 sevens are 35 days. Okay. And next 1 minute equal to 60. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now how many seconds are there in 7 minutes? Here also Seema, 1 minute, 7 minutes. So we do multiplication. Given one item and we have to find 7 items. 700, 7 6 are 42. 420 seconds. Okay ma? And estimation of the product. And we completed the example sums. Estimation of the product. See that one? Estimate the product of estimate the product of 56 into 11. So how do we estimate? So first you round off the given numbers Nana. So what is the first number? 56. As the number 56 is rounded off to 60. Why children? Yes, the digit in the ones place is 6. It is greater than 5. So that you add 1 to the tens place and keep 0 in the ones place. Now the number 11 is rounded off to 10. Why? The digit in the ones place 1. It is less than 5. So this number is rounded off to 10. Now we find the product. 60 into 10, 600. Okay. Now we find actual product. Actual product. So 56 into 11. 11 6 are 66. 6 in hand. 6 is down. 11 5s are 55 plus 6. 55 plus 6, 61. 616. Therefore, 616 is close to 600. So, this all we discussed in the previous class. Isn't it? Okay. In today's class, I am going to explain E problem Nana. Come on all of you open your classwork and write E problem. Page number 53 in your textbook. E problem page number 53. Yes, write down there are 476 students. Write along with me ma. In a school. Each student bought 25 rupees. What was the total amount collected? So see children, first you read the question properly, ma. Read the question. There are 476 students in a school. Each student brought 25 rupees. How much amount each student brought? 25 rupees. How many students are there in a school? 476. So you have to underline this one. And each student brought 25 rupees. Now what was the total amount collected? Now we have to find the total amount collected from the 476 students. Okay, what's the given problem, Nana? They are given some students in the school and they collected the 25 rupees from each student. Then how much amount collected from all the students? How do you get this answer? As by doing multiplication. Okay, ma? Come on, tell me the steps, Nana. First one, number of students in a school, 476. Amount brought by each student, 25 rupees. So total amount collected, from all students. So 476. Here one student amount is given, Nana. We have to find more than one. So that here we do multiplication. 476 into 25. Do the multiplication side. 5 6 are 30. Start from the ones place. 5 6 are 30. 3 in hand, 0 is down. 5 7 are 35. 36, 37, 38. 3 in hand, 8 is down. 5 4 are 20, 21, 22, 23. Next, close the ones place and start from the tens place. 2 6 are 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. 2 7 are 14 plus 1, 15. 1 in hand, 5 is down. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So add this, ma. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 9, 11. So I see it is 11,900 rupees, Nana. How much amount collected from all the students? As 11,900 rupees. Okay, is it clear to you, children? What is given? Number of students in the school given. An amount brought by each student is 25 rupees. Now we have to calculate how much amount collected from the 476 students. How do we get this answer? Which operation we used here? Yes, multiplication. So do the multiplication and write the answer here. 11,900 rupees. Is it clear to you, children? Okay, next. Estimate the product of the following. So estimate the product of the following. The first one, Seema, 59 into 21. So here 4 problems are given, Nana. I will explain 3 problems. You have to do 1 problem as homework. Okay, ma? Yes, first problem. So first the number 59 is rounded off to 60. Why? Because the digit in the ones place is greater than 5. So this number is rounded up, and the number 21 is rounded off to 20. Okay, ma? Now we do multiplication. 60 into 20, 1200. See, ma, 6 2s are 12, and keep these 2 zeros in the ones and tens places. Okay? So first multiply the numbers. After we'll keep the zeros to the right side of this number. Okay? Now we find the actual product. Actual product. Direct multiplication. 59 into 21. 1 9s are 9. 1 5s are 5. 0. 2 9s are 18. 1 in hand. 8 is down. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 9. 5 plus 8 13. 1 up 3 down. 1 plus 1 2. 1. So 1239. So therefore 1239 is close to 1200. Okay, Nana? Note down in your classwork. Next, 520 into 190. Second problem you do as homework, Nana. 520 into 190. Note down, see. 520 into 190. So the number 520 is rounded off to 'Tell me, Nana, it's a 3-digit number. So you have to round off this number to the nearest to 100, so that you see the digit at the tens place. Here 2 is there in the tens place, Nana. 2 is less than 5. So this number is rounded down. That means 500. Okay, ma? Same, the hundreds place not change, and we will keep zeros in the tens and ones places. Now the number 190 is rounded off to 'Tell me, children, here the digit at the tens place is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5, no, Nana? So you should add 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. And the remaining digits, zeros. Equal to zeros. Okay. Therefore, 500 into 200. How do we multiply? First multiply the numbers. 5 2s are 10. And we will keep these 2 zeros. Like this. Okay, ma? And here we'll keep comma. 1 lakh. 500 into 200 equal to 1 lakh. Now we find actual product. Actual product. 520 into 190. So 0, 0, 0. Now tens place close. 9 0. Ones place close and start from the tens place. 9 0 0. 9 2s are 18. 1 in hand. 8 is down. 9 5s are 45 plus 1, 46. Now ones place, tens place equal to zeros. Start from the hundreds place. 1 0 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Now add all these. 8, 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 5 9. So its answer is 98,800. So therefore 98,800 is close to 1 lakh. Okay ma? Finish. Okay. Is close to 1 lakh. And now D problem. Note down in your classwork this. Okay, and now D problem 805 into 290. 805 into 290. Note down D. $805 into 290. So the number 805 is rounded off to 800. Why? Because the digit in the tens place is 0, is less than 5. So that there is no change in the hundreds place. And the number 290 is rounded off to 300. Why, Nana? Yes, the digit in the tens place 9. 9 is greater than 5. So that you add 1 to the hundreds place and keep zeros in tens and ones places. Now you multiply 800 into 300. So multiply the numbers first, Nana. 8 3s are 24 and we'll keep the 4 zeros. So it's a 2,40,000. Okay, ma? Now actual product. Actual product 805 into 290. So 0. And we'll keep 0 in the ones place and start from the tens place. 9 5s are 45, Nana. So 0 came, that's why you write side down itself only. So 9 8s are 72. Is it clear? 9 5s are 45. 4 in hand, 5 is down. 9 0 0 plus 4 4. So that 0 is there in the tens place. So that I'll write 45 down itself. Okay? Don't get be confusion. 9 8s are 72. Now ones and tenses are closed. Now start from the hundreds place. 2 5s are 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 2 0 0 plus 1 1. So 2 5s are 10, you write down itself. 2 8s are 16. 0 5 4 3 7 plus 6 13. 1 in hand, 3 is down. 1 plus 1 2. So 2,33,450. Therefore 2,33,450 is close to 2,40,000. Finish. Write neatly in your classwork. Now patterns in multiplication. Patterns in multiplication. Keep side heading, Nana. Patterns in multiplication. See, Nana, patterns in numbers can be formed in many ways. Some patterns can be formed by using multiplication. Okay, ma? Let us take one example. If an even number, what are the even numbers? Can we tell me, children? S2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Those are the even numbers. And tell me odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Okay, ma? So, if we multiply the even with odd, let us take 2 even number, odd 3. So 2 3s are 6. So from this what we can say, even odd will get the even number only. Okay, and even take the even number 2 and 4 is also even number. So the product of two even numbers is also even number. Okay, so from this what we can say, the product of even and odd is even number and the product of two even numbers is also an even number. Okay, but in your textbook they are given like this, Nana. The product of an even multiplicand with an odd or an even number will always be even. So they are using the word multiplicand. So this is the multiplicand, no, Nana? Okay. So the product of the an even multiplicand with an odd, this is multiplicand, even multiplicand with odd will get even number. So even multiplicand with even will get the even number. Okay, ma? So we will write like that. So the product of an even multiplicand with an odd or an even number will always be even. Write down, Nana. So I'll make as a simply the steps. The product of odd and even number is an even number. Second one, the product of two even numbers so I'll give that example also here, Nana. Wait. Example, take one even number, odd number 3 and one even number 2. 3 2s are 6. S is also even number. Okay. And next second one, the product of two even numbers is also an even number. Example, see, Nana, two even numbers. I'll take 4 is an even number, 8 also even number. 4 8s are 32. 32 is there. So it's also an even number. Okay, ma? So you take the another number also. No problem. Okay. And next one. So the product of odd numbers. The product of two odd numbers is also an odd number. Example, 2 odd numbers. You take 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 is also an odd number. Okay ma? So the product of odd and even number is an even number. Say odd number is 3, even number is 2. Their product is an even number. And the product of 2 even numbers is also an even number. We'll take the 2 even numbers. 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32 is also an even number. The product of 2 odd numbers is also an odd number. 3 3s are 9. And next point. Note down in your classwork, ma. Okay, next. Now see ma, they are given the product of, write this also ma, the product of even multiplicand and even multiplicand with an odd or even number will always be even. Here observe the pattern, children. 2 is an even number. 2 3s are 6. So here this is an even number and product is even. If the product of even multiplicand with odd gives the even number and 2 4s are, both are even numbers, we'll get the even number. 2 5s are even and odd gives even number only. Okay? Do you understand, Nana? So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay? And now the product of, these are the example, Nana. So the product of an odd multiplicand with an odd multiplicand with will depend on multiplier. In before I tell no that one na, the product of odd and even is odd. Odd and even is odd or even? Product of odd and even is even number only, no Nana. So the product of an odd multiplicand will depend on the multiplier. If the multiplier is even, so you write that one. If the multiplier is even, the product will be even. I said you know Nana before, the product of odd and even is even only. And next, and if the multiplier odd, if the multiplier is odd, is an odd, the product is an odd number, the product will be odd. Now we will see the pattern. Will be odd. So pattern seen, Nana? The product of an odd multiplicand, you take odd multiplicand, that is 3, and will depend on the multiplier. If the multiplier is even, so that you take 2. 3 2s are 6. We'll get even number only. So odd multiplicand is multiplied by odd number, gives the product odd. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12, and here multiplied by odd gives the odd only. Is it clear to you, Nana? So note down in your classwork neatly. Now, example problems. Example problems. Solved example. See, Nana, what will be the example 1? What will be the next number in the pattern 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. See here. All of you look at here, Nana. First, we observe the numbers 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here, see, ma. 2, first you observe these two numbers, 2 and 4. So, from 2 to 4, if you multiply the 2 by 2, then we will get 4. Again, you multiply 4 by 2, we get 8. Again, you multiply 8 by 2, we get 16. 16 is multiplied again by 2, we get 32. Okay, so now what's the next number? Tell me. Yes, to get the next number, you should multiply 32 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 64. Okay, ma? So here what happened? Each number is multiplied, each number is being multiplied by 2 to get the next number. Each number, suppose if you take the first number, you multiply by 2, then only will get the second number. 2 2s are 4. Again you multiply this by 2 to get the third number, 8. So here what we have to write? Here you will write the same thing. Each number is being multiplied by 2 to get the next number. So the next number is, will be 32 into 2, 64. We'll write that only here. Okay. So just you keep into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2. So here is the pattern, multiplying each number by 2. Okay, ma? And next one. Example 2. Come on, write example 2. What will be the next number? What will be the next number in the pattern? In the pattern 1 3 9 27 81. See, Nana, first you write the pattern 3, 9, 27, 81. Now we have to find the next number. How do you get the next number? First you observe the two numbers, first two numbers, 1, 3. So see ma, here if you observe this 1, multiply by 3, then we get the next number. 1 3 is a 3. Then again you multiply 3 by 3, we get 9. So here also each number is being multiplied by 3 to get the next number. Okay ma? So see here, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 3 into 3 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 81 is multiplied by 3, we get the answer. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So 243 will be the next number. Okay, 243 will be the next number. So need not to write again that step, Nana. Here each number is being multiplied by 3 to get the next number. So the next number will be 81 into 3 equal to 243. Okay ma? And the last problem, Nana, problem solving. Problem solving requires some logical thinking. That means word problems, Nana. Here see. Follow the steps given below to solve a problem. First you read the question. Read the question, understand it, and decide which mathematical operation to use and solve it. So here 4 steps we used while solving the word problem. First, read the question properly, understand it, okay, and you have to decide which mathematical operation here we have to use. And fourth one, solve it. Okay ma? See here. The note down example sum. Next example. Jasmeet sticks 4 photos in one page. How many photos ma? 4 photos on one page. So Jasmeet sticks 4 photos on one page of her photo album. Photo album. How many photos? How many photos can she stick on 7 such pages? Seema, first you read the question, Nana. Jasmine sticks 4 photos on one page. How many photos? 4 photos on one page. And we have to find how many photos can she stick on 7 such pages. Here one page is given, Nana. Now we have to find 7 pages. So here we do multiplication, yes. So if the one item is given and we have to find the value of more items, we do multiplication. So we'll write that number of photos sticked on one page. 4. And number of photos can stick on 7 pages. So 7 times 7 4s are 28. Okay ma? So number of photos can stick it on one page. So then for number of photos can stick on 7 pages equal to 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 photos. Okay, is it clear to you, children? So here you write sticks, Nana, not stick. So number of photos sticks on one page. Number of photos can stick on 7 pages. 7 4s are 28 photos. Okay, is it clear to you, Nana? So I hope you understand the today's class. So my dear children, you have to maintain the classwork regularly with good handwriting, Nana. Okay, without mistakes. Okay, ma? So bye children, take care of yourself.